Why can't social media be easy? Oh, it can. On today's episode of Home Care Digital, I'm talking about how to make social media really easy. Number one, use CANVA. It's literally the best tool ever for designing and creating posts. It's amazing. I love it. It's the best tool. If you use it, it can be an incredible tool. And so what we want to do when leveraging CANVA is utilize templates. And they have a bunch of templates that are on there that you can use. So don't reinvent the wheel and try and create posts. They have templates that you can use to make it easy. Number two, determine what you want to post. So here's a number of different ones that you can do. Share an educational tip, a quote, a question, a day in the life, testimonials, answer a question, tell a client story, holiday healthcare post, upcoming event, highlight your staff, resources, referral partners, discuss services, share a comic or meme or a funny post. There are so many things that you can post about. One of my biggest pet peeve is people just post constantly about their services. Huge mistake when you have all of these other things that you can post about. So when you have, oh, I can do all of these things, now you know, and it makes it easier to plan because what you can do is you have a template for each style of these posts. For example, if you want to do an educational tip, we just have a template for educational tips. For example, these are a few that I actually made for some of my clients where I actually made the templates for them. And so once you have them, you can just tweak and change them so that it fits, right? This one is a template. It's perfectly branded. How to identify a stroke. You just change the title, change the tips. But you can use the general template over and over again, so you're not recreating the wheel every single time that you're trying to create posts. That's a waste of time. We want to be more efficient and strategic about how we do this. Quotes, same things. When we have these quote cards, right? This one's a good example too. This one as well. I mean, you can just change the colors to, you may have like 3 different colors. You just change the brand color. So you can make small tweaks. This one can be changed a little bit more where you maybe change the background image so that there's some variability. It's not exactly the same, but it's generally all the same thing where it's your font, right? All these people, this font is the same. It's actually called Delicious, cool font, right? I forget what kind of font this is, but it's the same as her Comfort Care verbiage. I believe it's Comic Sans. And then same thing here, right? So make sure you know your fonts and your colors so that you can use them again and again in your templates. And then the last part is create a schedule of when you're gonna post these different things. So maybe you do Motivational Monday, right? That's a great quote, great thing to do on Mondays. I love doing quotes on Mondays. Tuesday tip, right? And so Wednesday question, Thursday testimonial. It's all right here for you, but you have more resources. And so once you have this general guideline and plan, you can go back, create 5 quotes, change the quotes, each one, export, schedule, Monday. Boom, Monday's done. You've got all your posts done already for Monday. Then go to the next day, Tuesday tip, create the tip, duplicate it, change the tip, schedule, Tuesday, whole month, done. This is just a small fraction of how to make social media easy. If you want to learn to make it even easier, check out my course, Social Media Made Easy. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/made-easy. I have tons of resources. I show these templates. I've already made the templates for you. I've got resources, calendars, dates, all these digital resources that you can use so that you don't have to do the work. I've already done so much of the work where you can download these templates, put your colors and fonts on it, boom. If you want me to do it, I can do that too, where we can create the templates for you. But if you want to learn more about leveraging social media, making it super easy, giving you all the ins and outs that I'm not sharing in these YouTube videos, there is a ton of inside information in this course, so check it out. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're gonna learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you gotta do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.